Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am in the terrace garden. That is the overview of my terrace garden. That is rooftop garden. Very small garden in my rooftop. This is the flat area, so you cannot make a big garden here. So only a few pots I have grown here. I have some the flowering plants, some chili plant, some of the other vegetable foliage vegetable plants. Just see, you will enjoy the tour small garden, but you will enjoy the whole plants. Just see what I am growing here. So first I am showing you some of my Inca marigold. So a few couple of pots are here. Inca marigold, they are started blooming and the big size. This is the methi sak fenugreek, and you can grow in pots fenugreek also, some pudina and some other pots also. This is the mint plant, and mint plant, this season is coming in the summer month. And here you see impatiens flowers. Impatiens flowers blooms a lot if you grow one or two plant in a pot. This is a hanging basket spot, and I will be hanging later on. And this is the impatiens. Every day you can get 30 to 40 flowers. Here is the petunia, purple petunia I have grown in some sweet pot, and that type of waste pot I am using some with some holes. And you can see around 20 flowers are there, around 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 20, 20 flowers are there in my small pot. And if the plants are grown bigger size, you can get 30 to 40 flowers in a pot. This is dianthus. Dianthus, I have two color variants in my dianthus, beautiful. And stalk, this is the single petal stalk. If you want, you can grow double petal also. They look better if you grow in 6-inch or 8-inch pot. This is verbena. Verbena is very nice if you grow in 4 and 5-inch pots. Behind you can see a jungle of chili plants that I have grown from red chilies that I have grown. I have uploaded video, and lots of plants are there. This is the ornamental chili plants. You can see 4 to 5 class chilies in a single plant. You can buy plants from ornamental chilies. Here the black and red. You can see reds are the ripened one. Here the black chilies. And in this chili plant more than 50 chilies are there. So they look nice, and they taste nice. You can use them in kitchen also. Here are some also bicolor some chilies. Hundreds of chilies you can grow in your pots. This is black one. Black one also nice. And here another variety of black one, this red one, some egg like shape of these chilies. Lots of chilies. Here strawberry. These are bigger size strawberry, around 2-inch tall, big sized strawberries you can. And I show you, this is the two pots here. Strawberries, and strawberries are easy to grow. These are runners of strawberry, and if you just push down the runners here, you can get the new fresh plant. If you want, you can grow in another pot also. This with these runners you can get lots of plants from there. And this is the season now, flower will come, and after 1 month you can get fruits from here also. They are ready to be fruiting. And here behind you can see tower of petunia that I have uploaded one video how to make petunia tower. This is the started blooming now. And behind you can see some chili plants. These are 3 to 4 variety of chili I've grown in one pot. This is a some round one, long one, big one, every kinds of chilies you can grow. And they are nice one, nice varieties of chilies. Here behind you can see some of the marigold, and this is the hanging pot, some petunias. And here the chrysanthemum of gazania type of chrysanthemum, some pom variety. Here white petunias. White petunias blooms a lot. Every day you can get 30 to 40 flowers from white petunia. You must grow. And this is the Pune variety pom gazania type of chrysanthemum or guldaudi, and they started blooming. They look nice in this season, and they will be there at least 1.5 months there will be. And after that you can save the plants. This is the pomegranate I have grown from seeds, that after taking out the juices from pomegranate from home, and that seeds I have sown here. And lots of plants here. The marigold, you can see some Jaffrey marigold, French marigold, and different types of marigolds here, easy to grow. Now I show you some of the coriander plants that I have uploaded video 1 month back, and now the plants are ripened and they have started blooming, and some coriander is forming. Green coriander, you can see that the whole seeds of the coriander, they will be mature in around 1 month, and then you can collect the coriander for spices for your kitchen. So now I am growing some whole coriander also from this garden, small garden. And lots of plants you can grow in your terrace or rooftop garden. Here are some, you can see some of this impatiens just started growing plant, and lots of plants you can grow. This is the methi or fenugreek. You get beautiful and they are healthy, very very healthy to eat. These are leafy vegetables you can grow healthy impatiens. And this is a very small garden, because in rooftop area in any flat you have some hindrance and some internal problems of growing these plants. But I have grown a few couple of plants here for my satisfaction. And some of the plants here you see strawberries, they will bloom and they will fruit very in 1 month only, and they will bloom in very short period of time. And after 1 month I will upload the video, and then you will see the total garden has totally the scene of the garden has totally changed. So you will enjoy the whole video of my rooftop garden. This is the around maximum 6 feet to by 8 feet area. So in 50 square feet area you can grow these kinds of garden, nice garden. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.